check this one out at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's definitely not for the faint of heart, I can tell you that. 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Backcountry Custom Hellcat Outfit by Dakota Customs. 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi power, 700 plus horsepower with the Hellraiser pulley in it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, 47,675 on the odometer right now. As you can see, a lot of custom components on this vehicle. We're going to hit on a few, hit on some of the highlights. I'm sure if you have any questions, give us a call, consult with a sales associate. So let's get into that right away. First of all, check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you want to call us, 507-386-1726. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you where you can see all the pictures. All right, I just showed that carbon fiber heat dispensing hood. Wheels on this, 20-inch ballistic wheels, and it does have a custom Hellcat Wrangler 2-inch lift. So we take a peek down the passenger side of this vehicle. Of course, you're going to have all the modern amenities that you're going to have on a 2016 Wrangler Unlimited. Power steering, power brakes, AC, all your interior components, electronics. We're just going to hit on some of the specialties on this vehicle. Rear axle, TerraFlex Dana 60, 410 gears. Stopping power provided by TerraFlex Delta big disc brakes with a larger master cylinder and booster. Now, putting that power to the ground, Southern Hot Rod prepped 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. That's rated at 1,000 plus horsepower. See the dual exhaust in the back, of course, the receiver hitch with 3 different balls. There's also the winch controller, and there'll definitely be a handbook from Dakota Digital in with the paperwork and what have you. Also a sheet with info as far as the fluids, everything that's been used in it, so you can keep up with the same that was in it if you'd like, or maybe switch on to your own. I guess that's up to the next owner. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but consult with your sales associate first on that one, just due to the horsepower and supercharge of the engine. This does have 3-row seating, so depending on the size of the people in the 3rd row, you're looking at 7 to 8 passenger seating. Nice, subtle Hellcat vinyl on there. Very unique looking SUV, no doubt about that. And wait till we start this thing up and you hear the bark from it. Speaking of that bark, SRT mandrel bent catback stainless exhaust system with Trackhawk exhaust manifolds. Love these door handles. And you can see interior, so it's black on black, black exterior, black interior, obviously. Leather seating surface and very nice interior. Of course, a removable front roof panel and rear. Wild bore handle, make it easier to get in and out. Of course, power windows, power locks, again, those modern amenities that you're going to get. Take a look at the condition of the seating areas. No surprises here. It's what you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. All right. So there's your exact miles, 47,675. Of course, Sirius radio. Controller here. Climate control. Of course, 4-wheel drive. Well, are you ready? Let's fire this thing up. this thing. All right, let's slip up to the front. Remember, stick around to the end of this video if you want to see what this thing's like going down the road. We're going to do a driving video with it. Put the camera in it, let you check it out, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Hang on, let's check out the engine bay first, and we'll do that. And here we go. 6.2 liter Hellcat power. Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Backcountry with that custom Hellcat upfit by Dakota Customs. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. A little over 47,000 miles. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2016 Jeep Wrangler that is just a little bit modified. Sounds amazing. It's got a pretty mean looking front end on it. Very fun Jeep. This is an automatic on the center console, so anybody can drive it, I guess you'd say. It is easy to drive because of that. Nice acceleration in this Jeep. You get kind of what I would call that Baja handling, where the ride is nice and soft. It does feel great on the highway. Excellent ride. Bucket seats in this Jeep. Tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, and temperature gauge are working well. Temperature is right in the middle of the gauge. Fuel gauge is 3/4. Touchscreen radio.
Oh no, this one this one I say for me.
Very good sound out of that radio. Brakes are working really well. At my feet I have red LEDs lit. So they're dressed up inside a little bit with some LEDs. Outside there are off-road lights. Very capable looking Jeep.